Yes, bless up. Enough respect, people. Love your humanity as always. So you see, we are back here doing the same thing, just keep on repeating the same cycle every year. It's a must. So you can bring in sunlight because the place will be too cold and start gathering fungus on the tree, which is a black substance which we call blight in Grenada. I don't know if you all call it blight, but trying to avoid all these things, and also the trees will produce more fruits. So less branches for it to carry, so you could focus on bearing fruits, less energy using up from the tree. So bless up, people, once again, and we love you. Hair and Life love you always, and thank you for your support. So blessing and enjoy what you're doing. As if you want to understand more, then you could always go back into the videos that we made in the past, and then I will explain for you what is the purpose of everything that I'm doing. So blessings. Yes, and remember, it's not only about just chopping out branches. It's not about that. You have to know exactly what branches you're taking out in order to bring in the sunlight, because you don't want to cut out the branches you need to leave, and then afterwards you realize, okay, you know, I have to go and take out some more and leave the tree naked. So if you don't know, then you can ask questions or hire a professional to prune your trees, because it's very important that you do so. And you will learn a lot, because we wouldn't stop sharing it with you. You've been supporting, you all been supporting us for quite a while, and we appreciate you all. Thank you. Thank you all for being there with us, and always continue supporting us.